Fireworks? What fireworks? Just laying on a blanket in the backyard. He actually likes to watch them when they go up. Daddy, get a picture from the other side while holding his beer.
I'm getting the seahorses.
Oh yeah, you'll have a better background than I'm getting. What? Come here, Mace. Macy's like, what is all this about? He's been really good. Really, really good. He ran a little bit in the beginning, but then he was fine. Slightly shaky, but not bad at all. Just typical Zeke. Always takes a minute to warm up to new things. There's the finale. I was wrong earlier. What is all that? What is all that? Here you go. Look, come here. Look. A treat. There you go. You're being good. It's okay. You're being good. I know. It's a lot of them, isn't it? It's a lot of them, huh? Good boy. You're being good, Mr. Zeke. Hey, you're being good. You're being good. Oh, there's the neighbor. Here you go, Zeke. Here you go. Well, that was really good. Come here, Zeke.
That sounds like
rattling trash cans. Oh, Macy's like, I'll take this treat if you're not gonna take it. Here's it. Oh, now you want it? Now that they're gone? Here you go. Where you want them? Zeke, I'm over here. Zeke. Macy's gonna eat all your treats. No, you don't want it? Okay. Here, Mace. Zeke, you are being so good. Such a brave boy.